Welcome to our green corner of New Jersey, where every day is about growing, conserving, and thriving. We're your friendly folks from USDA NRCS New Jersey, committed to helping people help the land. Our mission? To protect and conserve America's natural resources. From the fertile soils of our farmlands to the lush forests and vibrant wetlands, we work hand in hand with farmers and landowners to ensure that our land stays healthy and productive for generations to come. At NRCS, we provide technical and financial support to help you manage your land sustainably. Whether it's improving soil health, enhancing water quality, or restoring wildlife habitats, we're here to make sure that every acre counts. NRCS has been serving producers for over 90 years in every state and territory, helping to conserve, maintain, and improve natural resources since the Dust Bowl. In New Jersey, we're here with open doors across 6 field offices to cover all 21 counties, with offices in Hackettstown, Frenchtown, Freehold, Columbus, Woodstown, and Vineland. So why wait? Join us in our quest to nurture the earth and secure a greener, more sustainable future. Together, we can make a difference. One field, one forest, one watershed at a time.